What's good, gangsters? Long time no see. I'm so awkward. I was about to sell my car actually about a week ago, and then I had some interest, and then I got sad and decided to take it off the market. So I'm gonna give it some love, maybe mess with it. Maybe that's kind of why I felt like selling it, was just because it's just been sitting here. Don't mind the mess back there. I just built this little fence here at my house for some privacy. Yeah, so I haven't done anything to this thing other than beat the hell out of it. I drive it to Home Depot. I don't even let it warm up. I get on the highway and I abuse this thing, and then I bring it back home. I don't even let it cool down. I turn it off, and somehow it's a good girl. I'm currently replacing my spark plugs right now. I'm gonna be tuning this thing on E85. I'm gonna be going with Brad. He's gonna help me get this thing on some corn. We'll see how it runs then, because right now he said, based on the logs that I've sent him, that I'm sitting around 350 wheel horsepower. I'm sure I've lost a lot of power. I tuned this thing in the winter on wet days, so I don't know if this tune is, I don't know, better suited for colder weather, but I'm ready for a summer tune. And to prepare for that, I'm replacing all my spark plugs with some BKR7Es. As you guys know, I already have all my ignition coil upgrades. I hardwired all of this stuff onto my harness and then ran two separate grounds. You could see one of them goes here to the block, and then the other ground is hooked up to a harness that I made that is grounding at the back of the firewall. I'm going to be replacing my filter. I got a new one. I readjusted my wastegates not too long ago. Maybe a little bit too soft. Wastegate duty cycle did go up by like 10%, I think, but it holds and it's fine. So I don't know, if I need to adjust it, I will. Another reason I haven't been working on this thing is because I am a family man now, and I need to be a little bit more responsible. I did take out the interior at one point to go do some pulls and see how it ran, but I ended up putting it all back together because I don't know, I don't like how these cars are when they're a little too rowdy. I come from the 240 world, and I've had my fill of interiorless cars that are loud and exhaust droney and exhaust gas. Anyways, I'm not doing anything special. I just thought I'd give you guys a quick little update on old girl. Boom, put back together. New intake. Here's the old dusty ass one. All new plugs. Now I'm just waiting for a new wideband, 1000cc injectors, 535 fuel pump, E85, a tune, and some speeds. Drink and jack off by myself? There's Jews in Texas. Oh, the filter. Whoops. I don't know if it was the intake or the spark plugs, but felt a lot more consistent this time. Very nice, very nice. I'll probably be vlogging the E85 tune, see how things go. So, till then, fellas. When I thought the video was over, I actually ended up having my friend Caesar pull up, and he brought me this 535 Walbro fuel pump. Although I'm looking at it and it says TI Automotive. Maybe that's who manufactures Walbro's fuel pumps. Anyways, this is a 535 liter per hour fuel pump. It already has the billet adapters, you guys can see, so I can just put it with my fuel pump assembly. And here I also have my AEM boost gauge that I just bought off of him. He just came and dropped this off. The reason he's not running any of this is because he has a Cactus P5S4 single turbo kit. It's really badass. He has a Link ECU, so standalone. He has all the bells and whistles. It has everything. I don't even know what the fuck to say about it, but it's gonna be flex fuel. I think that's pretty cool. He's just gonna be able to throw in whatever ethanol mix and fuel mix he wants, and it's gonna rip. Anyways, he dropped that off, and he also dropped off this pretty neat B5 hub windbreaker. Boom. B5 hub right here in the front. I think it's pretty neat. Yeah, so now I have all these parts. I'm just waiting for my 1000cc injectors, my new wideband sensor, because the one in the car right now is not reading accurately. But yeah, I just wanted to fill you guys in on the parts that I just received, because this all happened today, and I'll be putting this video together. Not even gonna edit it very well, just get you guys some content. Yeah, also my lady got me that. Pretty sick, huh? It's like a little metal cutout. It's pretty tight. Anyways, until next time, fellas.